Hi students, today we discuss about the structure of myofibril. Structure of myofibril. So the skeletal muscle fiber or skeletal muscle cell this is skeletal muscle cell or skeletal muscle fiber. The skeletal muscle cell or skeletal muscle fiber is enclosed by a sarcolemma. Inside the sarcolemma, cytoplasm is present called sarcoplasm. Sarcoplasm. Sarcoplasm contains many nuclei. Many nuclei. Next, sarcoplasmic reticulum. Storage houses of calcium ions. Sarcoplasmic reticulum, sarcosomes, myoglobin, glucose, glycogen, creatine phosphate, etc. Next, the sarcoplasm of skeletal muscle fiber contains thin filaments. These are arranged parallel to the skeletal muscle cells. The thin filaments of the skeletal muscle fiber in the sarcoplasm are called myofibrils. Myofibrils. Now we discuss about the structure of ultrastructure of myofibrils. Here myofibrils are the functional units of contractions of muscles. Functional units of contractions of the muscles. Now we discuss about the ultrastructure of myofibril. So this is myofibril. So the myofibril of skeletal muscle fiber contains alternate light bond and dark bonds along the length of myofibril. So the myofibril contains regular and alternate light and dark bonds along its length. Along its length. Here, light bonds are called I bonds. Light bonds are called I bonds. Dark bonds are called A bonds. So, I bond and A bonds are arranged alternately throughout the length of myofibrils. Here, I bond is light bond. I bond means isotropic. 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 I bond means isotropic bond. Next, A bond. A bond, dark bond is called A bond. A bond means A bond is dark bond. A bond means an isotropic bond. An isotropic bond. So A bond means an isotropic bond. An isotropic bond. So I bonds are light bond and A bonds are dark bonds are arranged alternately throughout the length of myofibrils. Next, center of the I bond. Center of the I bond possess elastic fiber. So center of I bond possess, this is I bond, this is another I bond, this is A bond. So the center of the I bond possess a elastic fiber called Z line or Croce's membrane or Dobbe's membrane. So center of each I bond possess a elastic fiber called Z line or Croce's membrane or Dobbe's membrane. So this is Z line. Next, center of the A bond possess a membrane called M line. Center of the each A bond possess a membrane called M line. Next, here I bond and A bond contains some filaments. I bond contains actin filaments. So I bond contains actin so I bond and A bond contains some filaments. Here I bond contains actin filaments. So these are actin filaments. The actin filaments are made by actin protein. Actin protein. So I bond contains actin filaments which are made by actin protein. Next, actin filaments are very thin filaments. So actin filaments are also called thin filaments. Thin filaments. Actin filaments are attached to Z line or Dobbe's membrane. So this is Z line or Z membrane. So the actin filaments of I bond attaches at one side with Z membrane or Z line. Next, the I bond contains actin filaments. Actin filaments are made by actin protein. The actin filaments are also possess two types of regulatory proteins. Two types of regulatory proteins. So those are troponin and tropomyosin. Tropomyosin. So actin filaments of I bond is made by actin protein. The actin filaments are also contains two types of regulatory proteins, namely troponin and tropomyosin. Troponin and here troponin and tropomyosins are regulatory proteins. So this is I bond. Next, A bond contains some filaments. Those are called myosin filaments. So these are myosin filaments. The myosin filaments are made by myosin proteins. Myosin proteins. Myosin filaments are present in the A bond. These are made by myosin proteins. Next, myosin filaments are thicker than actin filaments. So, actin filaments are called thin filaments and myosin filaments are called thick filaments. So, myosin filaments are thicker than actin filaments. Next, the myosin filaments of A bond attach with M line of the A bond. M line of the A bond. So, the myofibril contains alternate I and A bonds throughout the length of myofibril. Throughout the length of myofibril. Here, I bond contains actin filaments, A bond contains myosin filaments. Here, actin filaments are attaches with Z line, myosin filaments of A bond attaches with M line. Center of each A bond contains a membrane called M line. Next, sarcomere. What is sarcomere? The reason of myofibril between two successive Z lines is called sarcomere. So the reason between two successive Z lines of the myofibril is called sarcomere. Sarcomere is the functional unit of contraction, muscle contraction. Functional unit of muscle contraction. A sarcomere contains two I bonds and one A bond. So the region of the myofibril between two successive Z lines is called sarcomere. During resting stage, the free ends of actin filaments of I bond extends into edges of A bond. So during resting stage, the free ends of actin filaments of A bond extends into edges of A bond. So at the edges of A bonds, the myosin filaments are the two edges of A bonds possess myosin filaments and actin filaments. So during resting stage of the muscle, the actin filaments are slightly extends into the ends of A bond. So at the edges of A bonds, the myosin filaments are enveloped by actin filaments. So both edges of A bond during resting stage, both edges of A bond possess myosin filaments and actin filaments. Slightly extends. The actin filaments are slightly extends in the A bonds. Next, the center of the A bond without actin filaments is called H disc. Hansen's disc. So actin filaments are slightly extends at both ends of A bonds during resting stage. The center of A bond without actin filament is called H disc or Hansen's disc. Here in the Hansen's disc, myosin filaments are present. The actin filament does not extend into Hansen's disc during resting state. So the Hansen's disc is light colored, but the both ends of A bond possess myosin filaments and actin filaments. So the edges of A bond forms dark lines. but the Hensen's disc does not possess actin filaments of I bond during resting stage. So this light colored space is called Hensen's disc. So this is the sarcomere, the portion of myofibril between two successive Z lines is called sarcomere. So this is the ultrastructure of myofibril. Myofibril contains alternate light and dark bonds. Light bonds are I bonds, dark bonds are A bonds. I bonds possess actin filaments made by actin proteins. The actin filaments are also possess two types of regulatory proteins, namely troponin and tropomyosin. A bond possess myosin filaments made by myosin proteins. Here, myosin filaments of A bond are thicker than actin filaments. So, myosin filaments are called thick filaments and actin filaments are called thin filaments. The actin filaments are attached to Z membrane. Myosin filaments are attached to M line of the A bond. Here, sarcomere. Sarcomere means the portion of myofibril between two successive Z lines is called sarcomere. So this is ultrastructure of myofibril. Next, I will explain the actin proteins, troponin proteins, tropomyosin protein and myosin proteins in the next class.